You don't blank English. Speak, spoke, spoken, or speaking. The key word here is don't. Whenever you have don't, doesn't, or didn't, they are followed by base verb or verb 1. No es, no ed, no ing. So the base verb or verb 1. So what's the answer? Speak, spoke, spoken, or speaking? The answer is speak. You don't speak English. I need blank minutes to finish this task. Okay, a little or a few. The key word here is minutes. Minute is countable noun. So what you need to remember is a little is used for uncountable noun and a few is used for countable noun. Here is minute is countable noun. So we use a few. The answer is I need a few minutes to finish this task. Hi guys, let's do a quiz today. I recommend blank this book, reading or to read. Okay, the keyword here is recommend. Whenever you have recommend, it is followed by first ing form, okay? Like I recommend studying, I recommend listening. And second, it is followed by that someone do. Example, I recommend that you sing. I recommend that you listen. Alright, so what's the answer? The answer is reading. I recommend reading this book. Or you can also answer, I recommend that you read this book. Alright, now move to the next quiz. I hate blank this book. I hate to read or I hate to read. The keyword here is hate. Whenever you have hate, love, or like, they are followed by ing form. Like, I love playing football. I love watching this movie. I like listening to this song. Okay? And they are also followed by to plus infinitive. Example, I like to play football. Or I hate to watch this movie, okay? So the answer is to read or read. The answer is to read. I hate to read this book. Or you can also answer, I hate reading this book. Hi guys, today we have a fill in the blank quiz with much or many. Alright, now pause the video, try to answer it by yourself, then come back when you have finished. Alright, now the first one. He doesn't spend blank money on luxury items. The answer is much or many. Much money. Why? Because money is uncountable noun. Alright, we use much for uncountable noun. Okay? Next, there weren't blank moments in the film that genuinely surprised me. Okay, the keyword here is moments. Moments are countable noun. We can count moment. Alright, so the answer is many. We use many for countable noun. Alright, got it? Next, she has achieved blank success in her career. The keyword here is success. Success, uncountable or countable noun? It is uncountable noun, alright? So we use much. Much success. Next, how blank of your friends have visited that place? Okay, much or many? The keyword here is your friends. Your friends. Friends are countable noun. We can count friends, alright? So we use many. Next, there wasn't blank traffic on the way to work this morning. Traffic. The keyword here is traffic. Traffic, countable or uncountable noun? Traffic is uncountable noun. Alright? So, we use much. Correct. We use much. Next, the professor didn't provide blank guidance on how to approach the assignment. Alright, the keyword here is guidance. Guidance is countable or uncountable? It is uncountable noun, alright? So we use much here. The professor didn't provide much guidance on how to approach the assignment. Next, he doesn't show blank interest in participating in social events. Alright, the keyword here is interest. Interest is uncountable noun, alright? So we use much, right? We use much. He doesn't show much interest in participating in social events. Next, how blank of the ingredients do we still need to buy for the recipe? Alright, the keyword here is ingredients. Now it's your turn to answer. Is it many of the ingredients or much of the ingredients? Alright, let me know in the comment below. And remember, much is followed by uncountable noun and many is followed by countable noun. You need to remember this, alright? Hi guys, today we have an English quiz. Okay, now pause the video, try to answer it, and come back when you have finished. Alright, number 1. Children blank at school yesterday. Children was all children were. The keyword here is children. Children is the plural form of child. One child. Two children. Three children. Okay? And was is used for singular noun and were is used for plural noun. Children is a plural noun, okay? So the answer is were. Children were at school yesterday. Alright, next. Tim blank in London. Tim lives in London or Tim live in London. Okay, remember this guys. Whenever you have he, she, it, the base verb is followed by s or es, like does, writes, lives. The base verb plus s or es, okay? Tim is he. So the answer is Tim lives in London. Next, I like blank books about alien. I like reading or I like read. Okay, the keyword here is like. Remember this guys, whenever you have like, love, or hate, they are followed by base verb plus ing form or 2 plus verb 1. Alright? So the answer is plus ing form, okay? Because there is no 2 here. The answer will be reading. Or you can also say to read. I like reading. I like to read, okay? The answer is reading. I like reading a book about alien. Next, we have a dance lesson blank Monday. Okay, on or in. On is used for days and on is also used for dates, like on Saturday, on January 1st, alright? And in is used for months and years, like in January, in 2024. In is also used for seasons, like in winter, in summer. And the keyword here is Monday, okay? So, we use on or in. The answer is on, because it is a day, right? We have dance lesson on Monday. Next, look, Cody is playing football. Cody is playing or Cody is play. The keyword here is. So whenever you have is or am or are or was or were, they are followed by base verb plus ing form, okay? So the answer is play or playing. ing form, remember? The answer is playing. Cody is playing football. Easy, right? Okay, next. The students blank playing in the park. Is or are. The students is or the students are. The keyword here is students. Students is a plural noun, okay? Is used for singular noun and are is used for plural noun. The singular of students is student, one student, and the plural form is students, two students, three students, and etc. Okay? So the answer is are. The students are playing in the park because it is plural. Alright. Next, everyone blank happy. Are or is. Now it's your turn to answer. Let me know in the comment below. If you find this video useful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.